Hey everybody, it's Lady Lead here. I am out getting ready to do an unboxing. VLoveBee sent me this 10 frame wax dipped beehive kit. I'm getting ready to unbox it, take a look inside, get it ready for our bees this season. Even though we don't use these plastic inserts, I'm already just kind of amazed at what's in this package. Like pretty much everything that you need to get started is right here. Screws for the actual boxes, nails for the frame, everything in here to get your frames assembled. All right, we're gonna take a look at what else is in this box. What I can see is that this really is a great everything you need startup kit. So not just the boxes, which let me just see if I can show you how well the wax dip is. Like it really is a thick dip. You can see some of the wax right here. I'm hoping that the sun is catching some of the sheen for you. These really are some nice, well-made boxes with the dovetail edges. Oh my goodness, it's even pre-drilled for your scrolls. Oh yeah, this is a very nice setup. Here's your bottom board, your entrance reducer, the inner cover, the top cover, and if you like using a queen excluder, it comes with that. And of course, everything you need. It's got all the side pieces, all the top and bottom pieces, the plastic inserts, and again, the screws and the nails, everything you need to put it together. I'm gonna go grab my power drill and see how much of this I can get assembled today. I love that they didn't skip on the wax dip. They even made sure that the inner cover is also dipped, the sides of it as well, and also the cover. Let me show you the inside of that. Look at that. I think this gives you a good. I wanted you all to see how thick this wax is. Nice. That went in so smoothly. Like it's already started. Just like that, the super is done. as you can see, it didn't take long at all to get the exterior ready. What will take time is getting all the frames put together, and I will do that. It's gonna make a great home for our bees, and I can't wait to see what kind of honey they're gonna produce in this. I just wanna thank VLoveBee for sending this hive kit over. It is the perfect starter hive. I love how well waxed this box is. I mean, all the parts. So I have a feeling this box is gonna last for a really, really long time. I'll get to work on those frames as the season continues. I'm gonna make sure I show you a video of when we install the first set of bees into this hive. Our current bees that we have, they're not quite ready for this, but as soon as they are, I'll make sure I bring you along for it. All right, it's Lady Led. Thank you, VLoveBee. As you can see, it definitely is time for some new boxes. Right now, we've only got bees in this one box right here on the end. As the season continues and they get ready to expand, once we do an inspection, we'll probably see some queen cells in there. We'll do a split, and guess where they will be moving? Into their new home. It's very well coated with wax. I think I might actually give these a try. See how the bees like them. One down, 29 more to go.